How to fix this app is not available in your country or region on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple guide on how to bypass the app not available error and download restricted apps on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over to your phone settings and then click on general. So once you're in general, you gotta scroll all the way to the bottom and you see an option that will say VPN and device management. So just click on that option, and here you can see that I'm currently connected to VPN that is changing my server IP. However, if you are not using any VPN and you're not able to see the specific application in the App Store, what you can do is try connecting yourself to VPN. You can just click on sign into work or school account, or you can add any VPN configuration, and after that you'll be able to download the application. However, if the issue is still there, you can go back and remain in general. Here you gotta click on date and time, and you can see that you can change the time zone over here. You can toggle this set automatically button off and then toggle it on again so that the date and time get refreshed, because if the application is not available at the specific time that you have specified on your phone, so if you reset the time, it is possible that the issue would be resolved. However, if the issue is still there, you gotta go back and then you gotta click on language and region. So what if you just moved from one city to another? What you're gonna do is click on region and calendar, or just click on region, and you're gonna change your region to the specific country, to the particular country that you are residing in right now. And after you do that, try downloading the application. But however, if the issue is still there, you can head over to your App Store. So over here, you're gonna click on your profile at the top right, and then you're gonna click on your iCloud. So once you do so, you gotta click on country/region. And then over here, you can click on change country or region and change your App Store's region or country to the specific country that you are in right now. So those were some of the ways how you can fix this app is not available in your country or region error on iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.